This is the core topic number 2, expansion. So this is about the basic levels of expansion. Let me show you how to do it. The first example, as you can see, 2 times bracket x plus y. So expansion, it means that you need to remove the bracket and combine the like terms. Here, x plus y are unlike terms, so you cannot combine them. So what you need to do is just remove the bracket. How to remove the bracket? 2 times x plus 2 times y. So we call this by rainbow method. Okay, so 2 times x is 2x plus 2 times y is 2y. Okay, 2x plus 2y are unlike term, so you cannot combine them. That's it. For the second example, we just change 2 to k and change plus to minus. So it is k times bracket x minus y. So how to remove the bracket? Also by rainbow method. K times x, which is kx, minus k times y, which is ky. Kx and ky is an unlike term. You cannot combine them. So that's it. Now let's take a look at the third example. 2k times bracket x plus y. So we also use this rainbow method, but here 2k times x. So we get 2kx. Here is plus, so plus 2k times y, so which is 2ky. 2kx plus 2ky, you cannot combine them. So this is the final answer. That's it.